Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can get custom cursor on Roblox. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for osuskinner.com. After that, open the official website and you will be able to get to this page. Here, you will be able to select any type of cursor you prefer. Simply select the cursor you like, click on download, and then extract the image to a folder named cursor. Now duplicate the image by copying it and then pasting in the same folder. After that, rename all of the folders to these names and copy them. Now search for Roblox in the search bar, locate its installation folder, and once you are there, open the contents folder, then textures, then cursors, and then select keyboard folder. Now paste the images here and replace any if there is such thing, and you are done. That's how you can get custom cursor on Roblox. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.